And the little subheading on this is percent of change. Basically, we're talking about what about when things go up in percent, a percent increase, or a percent decrease. And where you see this a lot, or where they talk about this a lot, is when you go into a store and something is on sale. You know, you'll go there and it's common, like, does anybody ever go to Kohl's? You never buy anything at Kohl's unless it's marked 70% off, because when it's 70% off, it's about the price it should be normally, as opposed to, if you go to Kohl's and pay the normal price for something, then you are just kind of throwing your money away, because, you know, what they do, JCPenney, Sears, whatever, you know, they raise their prices so high that they can say, okay, now it's 70% off, which is about the price you would pay the normal price for it. That's neither here nor there. So, a percent decrease is a sales. You know, how much off? A percent increase is like a store. When a store sells something to you, they have to mark it up, otherwise they don't make any money. For example, if a store buys a pair of whatever Levi jeans for 20 bucks and they sell it to you for $20, they're not going to be open very long because they haven't made any money. So a store will take a pair of Levi jeans and they will mark it up. You never know how much they mark it up, but they get to mark it up. That is an increase in percent. Okay. When you do these, guess what? You are going to use percent boxes for both. Okay. And here is what you have. The difference between this and other percent boxes is this. Okay, here's your box. You got 3 little categories here. Okay, instead of, you know, when we did percents, we always ended up with 100% here. When you do percent increase, percent decrease, markup, or sales, the 100% goes on the top box because that is the original price. Okay. The original price is always 100%. Then, if it's a sale, let me write down the problem. Donna bought a dress. God bless you. Donna bought a $42 dress on sale at 30% off. What was the final price? How much did she pay for the dress? Okay, so the original is the 100%. If it is a sale, if it is a if it's a decrease, a sale, then you subtract whatever percent off. How much off was she getting? 30%. And then your final price is whatever 100 minus 30 is, which is, if something is 30% off, you actually end up paying 70% of the price. It only makes sense. If it's half off, you pay half, they get it, and they keep half. Okay? So then you fill in the rest of the blanks. You know, where does $42 go? Is $42 its original price? How much off you got, or the final price she paid? It is, Laney Kavarik, the original price, right? So 42 goes there. And you can either figure out how much off she gets, or you can figure your final price. They're asking you for final price, so here's your just proportions. You don't have to put the percents there. It's 100 over 70 equals 42 over question mark. And feel free to do the old cross off thing. Does that help you there? It does a little. Can you figure out 10 times what is 42? Well, probably kind of hard. So if you can't do that, you're going to have to do the cross product thing. 10 times what number is 7 times 42? Oh, that's why I actually wrote the problem down. We'll do it this way, even though it actually said the final price was $42. They wrote it down. So you end up with this. 7 times that is, that's why it's not working out even. Usually they make them work out even. You get 10n equals 294. So n equals what? Move the decimal back one place. How much did she pay for the dress? $29.40. It didn't work out even because I actually wrote the problem down. But it still works. How much off did she get? Can we do that in my head? It was $42. You got what? Anybody? No? Okay. So, about $12.58. Let's do another use, eh? It's really pretty easy that way. How about this one? The median price of a house in a neighborhood rose. The median price of a house in the hood rose 20%. Let me try to get this one right. Oh, rose 20% in 1 year to, it rose to, how much? $288,000. $288,000. By how much did the price increase? By how much did the price increase? Okay, now please, when you read these problems, okay, the tip-off, if it's the tip-off of whether it's just a regular percentage problem or an increase-decrease percent problem is you will see the words increase or decrease or markup or markdown. Don't think that every percentage problem you do from now on ends up falling like that. It's only these ones where things are going up and down percentages. Okay, so here we go. Here's our little box. The first thing you have to ask yourself is this a markup, a markdown, a increase, a decrease? Brookline, this is a increase, which means you're going to be plussing in the 8th, 7th grade vernacular. Your original is still 100. It always starts out being 100. Okay. How much percent increase was it? Right there, 20% increase. So the final percent is 100 plus 20, 120. You can fill in your percents. Now the question you have to ask is, where does this 288K go? Is it what the original price of the house was? Is it how much the price went up in the house? Or is it what the house ended up being? Praise Christ. Let's read the problem. A house in the hood rose 20% in 1 year to $288,000. It rose to that. Is that what it started out being, or what it ended up being, or how much it went up? It's what it ended up being. It rose to that. So your 288 goes here. And then they're either going to ask you, what did the house start out being, James Shoot, or did it ask me how much it went up? So this is the one you don't know. You don't really even need this, but it's not going to. And then you just make your equal fractions, whatever it is. 120 over 120 equals what number, please stop doing that, over 288,000. Cross off the ending zeros. What does this reduce to? 2 over 12 reduces to 1 over 6. Do you suppose 6 times something is that? It doesn't matter. Let's cross multiply. 6 times what number is $288,000? It's a division problem. I should have just done that. Dividing 6 into 288, what do we get? 4 is 24. Oh, look at that. 48 is 8. How much did the price of the house go up? $48,000. Ain't that handy? Mesmerized, are you? Math is fun. Yes, it is. I will give you one to try because this is kind of important for you to get. Here we go, this one here. A $15 item is marked, emphasis on the word, down to $12. To $12. What percent markdown is it? What is the percent markdown? You should be just about done with it. Draw your percentage increase, decrease box, fill in as many blanks as you can, and then go from there. You will always be able to fill in one percentage box without any work at all. Clue, clue, clue. That is the original percent. You can fill in all of the money boxes. Am I gone there? Who? Shoot, you done already? Did you draw a box? Fill in all the boxes you can. Based on the way people are staring up here, maybe, quite maybe, you got it here. First thing you have to ask yourself when you draw this box is it a mark up or mark down? It is mark up, which means this should be plus. Oh, I'm sorry, I was just checking here. Mark down, which means it should be going down. What's my starting, what do I know about the percents? The only thing you know is that the original is always 100. You don't know any of the percents there. You do know the dollars. Which was the original price of the thing, Aubrey?
15.
What was the final price of the thing, Aubrey?
12.
So how much did it go down?
$3.
Huh?
$3.
3. Did you have that written on the paper?
Yes.
Alright, so if that's what I can fill in there, what am I asked for? Am I asked for the final percent or the percent that was marked down? Percent marked down. This, this is the one that I want. You don't really need this one here. So when you do the math, it's 100 over what number is 15 please over 3. And you could very well reduce this to 5 over 1. 5 times what is 100? 20. So 1 times 20 is 20. What percent is it marked down? 20%. How many people got that? Where did we go wrong? Somebody help me out. Manny, Marco, where did we go wrong? We don't know. Did you have the boxes filled in correctly? So you went wrong at this part here? You didn't get past that part there? Right. Sure, why not? I have a quiz I'm going to give you, and I just, listen carefully, want you to do the practice problems for this